yourself. With the profile, the caliber, and the faces of this messianic coalition, you need to ask yourself, does these people actually represent your interests? Will these people lead you to freedom? Will these people lead you to prosperity? Will these people lead you to the future? Do you, deep down in your conscience, look at these faces who are today parading themselves as saviors? Do you convince yourself that these are the people that can lead you to the promised land? Secondly, if you are looking for the people who destroyed Nigeria during the 16 years of PDP, they are in the coalition. If you are looking for the people who destroyed Nigeria in the 8 years of APC, they are in the coalition. If you are looking for those who participated in the 16 years of PDP and 8 years of APC, they are in the coalition. These were governors, these were ministers, these were people who had the opportunity to transform Nigeria, to turn Nigeria, to free Nigeria, to prosper Nigeria. They failed during their time in office. Now, these are the people who have today, simply because they are out of office for 2 years. As such, they feel marginalized. That why should a government be run without them? And now they presented themselves as messiahs. They presented themselves as freedom fighters. They are presenting themselves